Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 22nd, 2020, and here we are once again talking about Cardano, giving each and every one of you an update on the market, giving you all a heads up as to what we're seeing on the price chart, all without being visually confused as well as in our speech. It's supposed to be easy. The market is not supposed to be complicated, so be very leery of those individuals who make their analysis confusing. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, before I go into our analysis for Cardano, you guys appreciate our content. Before you go, just hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Definitely want to make mention of that bell. You guys see that, just go ahead and tap that, and then YouTube will go ahead and notify you of whenever we upload our forecasts and predictions concerning the cryptocurrency markets, the stock market, as well as the commodities market. Just want you all to join us. Now, it's been 3 days, right, in Cardano since our last video, which was on October the 19th, and our expectations were to see strength. Now, I'm gonna zoom in on this price chart, and I want you all to see it. Okay. Now, what has occurred into the market in Cardano since that particular time has been weakness, right? So you may be wondering, your forecast didn't go right. Yes, it did. The market hasn't changed one iota from what we talked about on October the 19th. If anything, the last 3 days has confirmed that the strength in Cardano is still here, period. The only thing we talked about on that video was that 11 cents was going to be a problem for the trap to break up above. And literally that's what's been going on the last 3 days. That 11 cents is still major. It is still restricting the trap from moving the price of Cardano higher. But that doesn't mean that he's not going to be successful at it. That doesn't mean that he will not be able to crack price above 11 cents going forward. Okay, because the last 3 days he's been fighting. You know, the trap has been working hard, chipping away at trying to break up price above that 11 cent restriction area. We told you that we had a TP price at 11 cents. We're almost there right now on this daily time frame today. But given that the market in Cardano is still holding support at 10.5 cents, that still gives us more understanding and knowledge that the market in this currency is still eager to move higher in price. Now, we still got that obstacle of 11 cents. Yeah, we do. So we need to keep that in the forefront, that until we see this price in Cardano break above 11 cents, the expectation is still there that the market can go lower. But the probability of that occurring, I would say, is around 15 to 20% of that occurring, that the market would not be able to crack up above 11 cents and go higher. Now let's take a look at the market real quick in Cardano on the 3-day time frame. So the 3-day time frame, which literally is still emphasizing that the market in Cardano, because check out these last couple of 3-day price bars right here. The market, you guys can see, has endured. It got hit in the face with a lot of weakness. You know, the trap has been taking the brunt of the selling. You know why? Because the market hasn't been falling. So we're still seeing instances to where this trap, this individual who is coordinating the price movement of Cardano, he's still wanting to increase the value of this currency. That's it. So we are understanding that even amidst all of the weakness that has been pounding this market in Cardano, this trap is still increasing the value. It is still trying to work at it. So we have the market in Cardano. First, it is still trending above this ascending line. Second, the trap is not allowing the market to fall amongst the weakness that is coming through. And then on the 5-day chart, again, the market is not falling. So your expectations of weakness from our perspective, is not there. We're not expecting the trap to lower the value of Cardano, not right now. Like I told you, 15-20% chance that it can occur because of that 11-cent area of restriction. And that's it. So when you weigh it, the market is definitely leaning from the trap. He is definitely leaning more towards higher price than he is with taking the market lower. Okay, and that's it. So on this particular video, what we're going to do is that we're not going to change our forecast. There's no need to come in and change it. I think we did hold that TP at 11 cents on our last video. So I mean, again, we will hold that there. So let's go ahead and re-emphasize that. So we had 11 cents as TP, which was only, I think, like 1.63% profitability into the market. So because we know that there's 15-20% chance that the market will not be able to break above it. So at least we'll be able to capitalize on 1.63 before the market will go lower. Okay. But generally, like I said, these last 3 days, the market continues to emphasize that if anything, it's going to try to come up here inching towards 11.5 cents. Okay. It might not be precise. It might fall a little bit shorter than that, which will still be around 6%. All right. So this is our forecast. You know, this is what we're seeing into the market in Cardano. The market has not reacted to the weakness, whether on the daily time frame, the 3-day or the 5-day. The market is not emphasizing to us any of that weakness. So we're going to continue to go on with our forecast. We're not going to change anything. Just wanted to come in and talk about what the trap has performed since our last video, which has been 3 days worth of trading, and the market hasn't reacted negatively to that price movement. So our price forecast is still on point. We're going to continue to ride with what we talked about on the 19th, and that's it. So do you see anything that has changed though in the market in Cardano that will make you reevaluate your particular prediction and forecast? Because we would definitely like to know. So leave us your comment if you have noticed anything changed into the market since our video on the 19th, and tell us what you think has changed, and tell us if it has altered your forecast and prediction into the market. And that's it. We sit back and continue to let the trap work. Let him do the work for us. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we will speak again on the next video.